Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my 82nd day of 90-day challenge of spoken English. Today I am going to tell you one thing. See, you have to make your mind in this way whenever we take our first step. I always told you in my videos whenever I shared my experience with you that if you take your first step, then after taking first step things will be easy going. Yes, I said, but it doesn't mean that your journey, the progress of your journey will be straightforward. I mean, we can't take that thing that there's no up and down, there is no problems will be faced by you. No way, no way. It is just a first step. There's a lot. This is literally first step, and there's a lots of steps you have to be taken, and there's so many thrones in the path of your steps, because the thing is that uh, you know what, why I'm always saying that there's need to be first step, because you have to be shown so much courage to taking first step. After taking your that step, you can be, you can be uh, you can be increase your confidence to take another steps. Even even the thing is that the more courage there is so much need to take that first step. After taking that step, there's no need that much courage. Of course there's a, you have to be need lots of courage, but not than that of step, because uh, what I want to say that, like, we can't make our mind in this way that after taking first step there is no problems. I mean, why we started this journey? We start this journey because we want to know where we are lacking. We want to improve in ourselves. Yes. So that's why I'm saying, like, if I talk about me, when I started my journey, as I told you, it was very difficult for me. When I started my journey, when I started, even after doing all the practices, I didn't get positive appreciation, because even negative, even so much negative, because I didn't have that much environment, and all they were like, what you are doing, and that, when you are doing a different thing, and lots of people were like, okay, you are wasting your time, and it's just a, and being a Haryanvi, it is, in my, for me it was difficult. And even after facing lots of problem, I told myself, okay, if you are facing problem, there is no need to be worry. We are facing problem, there is a lots of solution. And whenever I feel like, uh, whenever I feel very low, and my mind told me to give up, what I did, see, there is no, we can't give 100% all the time. So what I did, whenever I feel low, uh, I always do one or two practices. Though at that time I do lots of practices, like written diaries and all the practices I told you. I just want to be attached to my these practices, whether it is one or two. Okay, so that's why I'm saying, we have to be make our mind with a very clear statement, that, I mean how can, there's no need to be take that so much negativity. We have to be make our mind that, okay, if you are starting, we need to be, why you are starting first, whenever we do anything, whenever we do any anything or any goal, that we have to be know one thing, why you are doing. So you have to be say your mind why you are doing. If you are lacking somewhere, then doesn't mean that you have to be give up. No, if you are lacking, then find your reason why you are lacking. That's it. It doesn't mean that, if I like, if I tell you that in the starting, when I took this challenge, even after so many weeks, I faced lots of problems. But, and the main thing is that at that time I told you that I met lots of people who started taunting on me, that was very negative thing for me. But at that time I was like, okay, if I reached at that point, I don't want to be give up, because I know what efforts I gave in my this challenge, because I know my situation from the starting, from the beginning, because I saw myself where I was and now where I am. So that's why I'm saying, be positive. Be positive in all the aspects. Okay, so thank you so much for bearing with me, um, for appreciating me. Stay tuned with me. Thank you. Jai Hind.